ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are happy and safe. Yes, I am here to conduct an activity session in English for 4th standard on the unit environment. So in the lesson environment, I will be dealing with the new prose, the tree and the river. Yes, I request all of you to keep your notepads, textbooks and pencils ready with you. Shall we begin our session now? Here we go. Do you all remember children, I had given you the homework in my previous class. Have you all done the homework? Shown to your teacher? Very good. Yes. Let us check the answers children. So the homework for the day was draw a neat picture of a tree and a river and color it. Yes, I had told you to draw a picture of a tree and a river. Hope you have done that. Yes. Here is a picture of a tree. I have drawn 3 trees here and a picture of a river. River picture. Yes. I hope you have done your homework and you must have shown to your teacher. Very good children. Shall we move to the next activity? Yes. Now, you are going to match the pair of words in your textbooks. This activity is given on page number 38 in your textbooks. Now, you listen to me, later you will copy down the answers. Look at the gold coins in the grid. A word is etched on each coin. Make a pair of coins which have same sounds. One is done for you. One example has been given. See, these are the gold coins. On gold coins, some words have been given. Yes, we have to match the pairs. We have to match the words according to the same sound. One is done for us. Example, weather, weather. Weather, weather. Shall we do this, children? Yes. First, let me read out the words written on the gold coins. 2, new, 1, which, pair, break, weather, right? 2, 1, break, which, weather, new, pair, right. Yes, these are the words given on the gold coins in your textbook. Now, we are supposed to match the words according to the same sounds. Now, we are going to match the words according to the same sounds. Shall we do it, children? Yes. Take out your English textbooks. Please open the page number 38. Yes, I'll give you some time. Kindly do this work. Yes, I hope everyone has done some matching the words. Yes, here let us check out the answers, children. The words which have same sounds. So, weather, 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 weather. 2, 2. New, new. 1, 1. Which, which. Pair, pair. Break, break. Right and right. Look at the examples which have same sounds but different in meaning and different in spelling. Weather, weather. Guess what is the meaning of weather, children? Weather andre havamana. Weather andre adre, adre. 2 and 2. 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ, ಇಬ್ಬರು, ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು. Yes. 2 is only 2, number 2, ಎರಡು. New and new. New ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ, ಹೊಸದು, ಹೊಸ. New ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. I knew the answer in the exam. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. 1 and 1 ಅಂದರೆ WON, 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ. ONE ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು. ವಿಚ್, WITCH, ವಿಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಟಗಾರ್ತಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ, ಯಾವುದು. ವಿಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್. ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋಡಿ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೂಸ್, ಎ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಪ್ಸ್. ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಅಂತ. ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಹೆಸರು, ಮರಸೇಬು. ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಸೇಬು. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುರಿದು ಹಾಕೋದು, ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಾಕೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರವಣಿಗೆ, ಬರೆಯೋದು. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್, ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವಿಸುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ವೆದರ್, ಟು, new, one, which, pair, break, right and right. Yes, copy down in your notepads, children. Yes, have you copied? Very good. Shall we move to the next activity? Here we go. Group the words under the right column. So the task 3 is group the words under the right column. Yes, here are some of the words related to environment. ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we have to read the word, understand its meaning, then put it under right column. So ಸರಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು you have to put it in under this column. So which is good for environment, you will write it here. Which is not good for environment, you will write it in this column. Yes. You will find words in the box. Some words mean to save environment and some mean to destroy environment. Separate them and write under the right column. One is done for you. They have done one. Water, pond, thrush. Yes. So water and pond. Yes, ಹಳ್ಳದ ನೀರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದಾ? ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನೀರು, yes, it is good for the nature. Yes. Next, thrash. So what is the meaning of thrash? Thrash ಅಂದರೆ ಕಸ ಅಂತ. Yes. So thrash is not good for environment. Shall we do it, children? Yes. Lake. Is it good for the environment? Yes, correct. Put it under this column. LAKE, lake. Forest, FOREST, forest. Is it good for the environment? Yes, it is good for the environment. Smoke, is it good for the environment? No, smoke ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ? No. So you have to write the word smoke here in this column, SMOKE, smoke. Fresh air, is it important for environment? Yes, it is very much important and good for environment. Fresh air. Truck ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಾರಿ. Is truck good for environment? No, it is not good. So you have to write the word truck here. Yes. Now I'll give you some time, children. Please do it in your textbooks on page 39. Yes. Have you all done it? Very good. Shall we check the answers? Here we go. I have done it. Let us check it. Good for environment, bad for environment. Lake, forest, fresh air, oxygen, rain, water pond, river, trees. Bad for environment, truck, smoke, plastic, waste, trash, high-rise buildings, fire, less rain. Yes. Lake ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕೆರೆನ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Is lake good for environment? Yes, it is good for environment. Forest, yes, ಕಾಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Fresh air, yes, ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಉಸಿರಾಡಲು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Rain, ಮಳೆ, it's good for environment. Water pond, ಹಳ್ಳದ ನೀರು, yes, it is important because so many small animals live in water animals. River, ನದಿಗಳು, yes, it is important. Trees, ಮರಗಿಡಗಳು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Yes, let us check out which is not good for environment. Truck, ದಟ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡುವಂಥ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಬೇಕಾ? No, we don't want trucks. Smoke, ಹೊಗೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ? No, it is bad for environment. Plastic ಬಳಸುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ? No, it is not good for environment. Waste, ಕಸ, ಎಲ್ಲಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸೆಯೋದು. It is not good for environment. Trash, again the ಕಸ. Trash is ಕಸ. ಹೈ ರೈಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಎತ್ತರದ ಬಹು ಮಹಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ? ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದಾ? It is not good for the environment. Fire, ಬೆಂಕಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ? No, for fire is not a good element for environment. Less rain, ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ. Yes, copy down children in your notepads. Copied? Very good. Shall we move to the next task? Yes, today we shall learn 3 new words in the lesson. Yes. Firstly, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yeah, you see a man with lot of money. Yes. You can see a bag of money. Yes. So, illobba ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He has lot of money and he is playing with money. He has lot of money. ದುಡ್ಡಿದವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ he is playing with money. Yes, can you guess the word, children? Correct. Here we go. Fortunate. The first word is fortunate. Means lucky. Fortunate ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ. Lucky. Once again, fortunate. The meaning is lucky. Spell the word fortunate, children, along with me. Fortunate. Fortunate. Lucky. Adrustavanta. Yes. I have made the sentences using the word fortunate. Shall we check the sentence, children? We are fortunate to be living on earth. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Yes. We are fortunate to be living on earth. Yes. Fortunate ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ. Lucky. Being lucky. Yes. Next sentence. I am so fortunate to have a wonderful family. I am so fortunate to have a wonderful family. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತಳು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇದೆ. I have a wonderful family. Yes. I am so fortunate to have a wonderful family. Yes, open your notepads, copy down, children. Copied? Very good. Shall we move to the next word? Yeah. What do you see here, children? Correct. You see a face. How is the face? Very sad. You can see the water coming out of the eyes. Tears. What are they called as? Tears. Kanniru is crying. Yes, the face is emoji is crying emoji. Yes, crying face. See, look at the water is coming out from here. The tears are coming from eyes. Yes, shall we check the word? The second word is crying. Crying ಅಂದರೆ ಅಳುವುದು. Shedding of tears. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಸುರಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಅಳುವುದು ಅಂತ. Yes. Crying. Shedding of tears. Repeat after me, children. Crying. Correct. Shedding of tears. Shedding of tears. Correct. Spell the word crying along with me. Crying. Crying. Crying means shedding of tears. Shall we check the sentence? Yes. I saw a baby crying on the road. I saw a baby crying on the road. I saw a baby crying on the road. ನಾನು ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಅಳ್ತಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. Yes. Next sentence, children. Smita was crying in pain. ಸ್ಮಿತನ್ಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೋವಿನಿಂದ ಅಳ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇನ್. ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅಳುವುದು, ಕಣ್ಣೀರನ್ನು ಸುರಿಸುವುದು, ದುಃಖ. ಎಸ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ shedding of tears. Please copy down in your notepads, children. Copied? Very good. Shall we move to the next word? Yes. Yeah. Look at the pictures. There are two pictures. In the first picture, you can see an old man and a girl. In the second picture, an old woman and a woman. Yes, what are they doing? Yes, they are helping the old people. Yes, they are showing some kindness. Correct. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗದಿದ್ದವರು ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದೆಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮರ್ಸಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಕರುಣೆ. ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮರ್ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದಯಾಳು ಭಾವವನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಮರ್ಸಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಮರ್ಸಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಮರ್ಸಿ, ಕೈಂಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. I have made the sentences using the word mercy. Look at the sentence. Raj showed mercy to his enemies. Raj showed mercy to his enemies. Raj ಅನ್ನೋ ಹುಡುಗ ಅವ್ರ ಶತ್ರುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he will forgive the enemies. Yes. Raj showed mercy to his enemies. Next sentence, children. God have mercy on us. ದೇವ್ರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಸದಾ ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ಇಡು. Now I request all of you to open page number 40 on your textbooks. Opened? Very good. I'm going to read the lesson. You're going to observe it. Lesson, Tree and the River. Lesson, Tree and the River. One day a tree saw a river. A river was crying. The tree asked the river why it was crying. It wiped its tears and said, "My dear friend, I am going to die very soon. Look at me, there is no water left in me. People dump in waste. The waste is choking me. I can't live anymore in this condition. But, friend, you look sad. What's the matter?" The tree said, "Dear river, I am not fortunate either. I am also in the same state as you are. People cut me down without mercy. Besides, there is no water left in me too." Yes, now look at your books on page 40, last paragraph. The tree and the river discussed the matter. They decided to find a solution to the problem. They thought of writing a letter to the government. They wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Yes, once again for your children. The tree and the river discussed the matter. They decided to find a solution to the problem. They thought of writing a letter to the government. They wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Yes. Now, close your books. I'm going to summarize the lesson with the pictures. Yes. What do you see in the picture? You can see a tree. This was a tree actually given in the textbook. A tree and a river. One day the river was crying. ಒಂದಿನ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನದಿ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. Yes, the tree asked, "River, friend, my dear friend, why are you crying? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಿದೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಮರ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತು ರಿವರ್ನ. Yes, river started telling, can you guess what did the river say? Correct. The river said, ನದಿ ಹೇಳ್ತು, people are putting that waste in me. People are dumping the waste. ಕಸವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There is no water left in me. I am choking. ನನಗೆ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಬದುಕೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ the river started crying loudly. Yes. Then the tree said, yes, look at the picture, children. People are dumping lot of waste. The river says, don't dump in waste. ಕಸ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಮರದ ಬಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಎಸ್, ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ? ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಸೇಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೀ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಅಳಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಸವನ್ನು ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಮೀ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಮರ್ಸಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕರುಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ದಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈವನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದಿನ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮರ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನದಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಡೂ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರಿಹಾರನ ಕಂಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ದೇ ಥಾಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಎಸ್, ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಎಸ್, ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka telling the minister to stop cutting the tree and to stop putting the waste in the river and to save the tree and the river. Yes. Did you all understood the story, children? Very good. After my class, you're going to read the lesson once again and understand. Yes. Shall we move to the next activity, children? Yes. Fun with words. Fun with words. Arrange the letters in the correct order. One is done for you. TREFOS is a word. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಪದ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪುಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿ you have to write the correct word. Look at correct word. Chill. Chill ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಲ್. ಚಿಲ್, ತಣ್ಣಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಕೂಲ್. CHILL, cool. Warm, this is the correct word of this. WARM, warm. Warm ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿರೋದು. ಥ್ರೋ, ಎಸೆಯೋದು. ಕಸವನ್ನು ಎಸೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ರು ರಿವರಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ರೋ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸೆಯುವುದು. THROW, ಥ್ರೋ. ಚೋಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಚೋಕ್. CHOKE, ಚೋಕ್. ವಾಚ್, WATCH, watch. I request all of you to copy down these words neatly in your textbook. Copied. We shall move to the next set of words. Letter, LETTER, letter. This is the correct word for this. Next, river, RIVER, river. River. Dump, DUMP, dump. Dump ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸೆಯುವುದು. ಶೈನ್, SHINE, ಶೈನ್. ಶೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಳೆಯುವುದು. ಎಸ್, ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಪಿಡ್? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Shall we move to the next activity? Read the words from the left to right and right to left. They read the same. Yes. If you read from the left to right and right to left, it is the same. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಡದಿಂದ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಿ, ಬಲದಿಂದ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಿ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಲೆವೆಲ್, LEVEL, ಲೆವೆಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಪೀಪ್, PEEP, ಪೀಪ್. ಡೀಡ್, DEED, ಡೀಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. DEED, ಡೀಡ್. ನನ್, NUN, ನನ್. NUN, none. Next word. Noon, NOON, noon. NOON, noon. Next. Task 9. Read the pictures. Yes, it is given in your textbook, children. I want you to open your textbooks on 44 and 45. Look at the pictures. Yes, try to guess the word. Who is he? One who helps us in reading at home. ಮನೇಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಅವರು? Yes, correct. It is dad, appa. DAD, dad. APPA, appa. If you see the words ನೋಡಿ, from right to left, left to right, it is the same. ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇದೆ. DAD, dad. APPA, appa. Yes. Yes, look at the second picture, children. Who is she? Yes, she is our mom. Mom, amma. MOM, mom. AMMA, amma. AMMA, amma. ನೋಡಿ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಎಡಕ್ಕೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಡದಿಂದ ಬಲಕ್ಕೂ ನೋಡಿ, the same. Yeah, it is the same meaning. Mom ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅವ್ವ. Next, who is she? One who teaches in the classroom. Very good, she is a teacher. So we can call it as ma'am or madam. Yes, ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. M-A-D-A-M, madam. Yes, next. M-A-D-A-M, madam. Ma'am, reverse. Next, civic. C-I-V-I-C, civic. Reverse, C-I-V-I-C, civic. Civic ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಗರಿಕರು. Yes. Next activity, children. Copy down quickly. Copied. Very good. Yes, now you know the story of tree and the river. Let us recall through some question and answers. Who was crying one day? Yes, very good. The river was crying one day. Copy down, children. Copied. Good. Next question, children. What do people dump in the river? What do people dump in the river? Yes? I know you're all shouting with the answers. Yes. What do people dump in the river? People dump waste in the river. ಕಸವನ್ನು ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸೆತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes. Shall we move to the third question? Who did the river and the tree write a letter to? ನದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದ್ರು? Correct. The river and the tree wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So they wrote a letter to Chief Minister of Karnataka to solve the problem. They wrote a letter to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. What is the meaning of the word mercy? Mercy ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Mercy ಪದದ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Yes, correct. Mercy ಅಂದರೆ ದಯೆ, ಕರುಣೆ. Yes, ದಯೆ. Mercy means kind feelings on living things. ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ದಯೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes, mercy means kind feelings on living things. Here is a homework question for you. Please copy down in your notebooks. Write the 5 uses of trees. Yes, you're supposed to copy down this question and write the answers and show it to your teacher. Thank you so much, children. Myself, Manjula, working as an assistant mistress in Government Model Primary School, Maragondanahalli, Anekal Taluk, Bangalore Urban District.